Well, hello there my friends, welcome back to the Scott Reed Project. Now a little bonus video, and what I want to show you is this amazing vintage book. This was published in 1917, so 102 years old. Now on social media I put a little video, I just opened it up because inside here it's just an amazing diagram of a pig. You know, it's just unbelievable. There's diagrams of pigs and then there's this, and of course on social media put it on, people absolutely loved it. It's had 14,000 views, so I thought I'd share it with my wonderful YouTubers. So eyes down, look in, check this out. Well, my friends, I think you'll agree what an amazing piece of work that is. I mean, 102 years old. I've got quite a vast collection of vintage butchery books, and they're all written round about 1900 till about 1950, 1960, and it's absolutely invaluable information that you will never get again. So, I hope you enjoyed that little tour of that book, And if you've liked what you've seen here on the SRP, you know the drill. Click subscribe when my face comes up down here. Find me on all my social medias. Facebook, Scott Reed, The Scott Reed Project. On Twitter at The Scott Reed Project. Instagram, The Scott Reed Project. And please do check out my Patreon if you want to help the channel along. So, until next time, if you would like to see a few more of my vintage books, let me know in the comments, my friends. Take care.